This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 10th. Starting out with the stock index futures, very good gains in the overnight trade. This appears to be almost entirely linked to an apparent easing of trade tensions between the U.S. and China. China's president indicating that the situation is likely to get better, and he did make some trade concessions, so that very much the dominant influence today. Also, it appears that traders, I believe, are focusing now a bit more on other fundamentals such as earnings. Earnings season starts on Friday. Also, if traders can focus away from the trade situation and more on some of the other fundamentals, I think it will be the interest rate environment that still is very supportive that will help the stock index futures. Hopefully less impact from the trade situation and more influence from some of these other factors that should support the indices. Moving over to the currencies, seeing the dollar index coming under a little pressure as a better trade situation today causes traders to believe that China is less likely to devalue the Chinese yuan. So a little pressure on the dollar because of that influence. Flight to quality longs being liquidated in the yen again today. Interest rate markets mostly lower. Flight to quality longs liquidated there to some degree. But also we have some supply with the Treasury auctioning 3-year notes. And in the precious metals, the gold market advancing, even though on balance the news appeared to be negative for gold. There was no flight to quality long liquidation in the precious metals today, with both gold and silver higher. Also, the producer price index coming in stronger than expected. Often a higher inflation number can be bearish for the precious metals, which is somewhat counterintuitive, but based on the thinking that more inflation would cause the Fed to ramp up their rate hike schedule. So the gold performing very well on a day when it could be lower or should have been lower on the news. That in itself should be viewed as a sign of strength for both the gold and silver markets. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.